Can overcoming adversity actually be harmful to your health? There's no doubt that succeeding in school and at work brings all kinds of positive changes for people. But what we didn't know before is that success can actually take a hidden toll on some people's health. Many policymakers push for programs to help low-income youth develop self-control and persistence. These kinds of programs can help young people resist temptations that can hurt their chances of success later in life. But we've shown that this might not be enough.
For low-income youth of color, overcoming challenges actually takes a physical and biological toll. We found that low-income adolescents who were psychologically successful, with a strong sense of self-control and persistence, also had cells that were biologically older than their actual age. Cellular aging is associated with many chronic diseases and even premature death. In fact, when we looked at more than 10,000 African Americans and Latinos from low-income neighborhoods, we found that those who made it to college had higher levels of obesity, blood pressure, blood sugar, and stress hormones than those who didn't go to college. In other words, disadvantaged youth who beat the odds ended up paying a price with their physical health.
And even more, as these successful individuals climb the ranks at work in adulthood, they're likely to see fewer and fewer people from similar backgrounds, which can create additional stress and feelings of isolation. So it's clear from our work that it's not enough just to help low-income youth develop self-control and persistence.
Schools that serve lower-income students could provide health education and screenings to detect and address health problems before they become chronic. We should also provide more programs and supports that specifically address the barriers and stresses that lower-income students face as they strive to succeed in school. Most importantly, our work shows that we need to create more inclusive and welcoming educational communities that engage and support everyone, so that regardless of background, every student has the opportunity to both succeed and thrive.